1,
2,
3, 4,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9.
10. It's gooey, it's gross, and it's great. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's slime. Today I will show you how to make an inexpensive, fun, homemade kind of slime. It's a great activity to do with your kids, and it's just in time for Halloween. The entire recipe can be found on chemistry.about.com. It's 4 easy steps. Gather your materials, make the mixtures, combine the mixtures, and knead it or play with it. All you're going to need is glue ball, water, borax, food coloring, a teaspoon, 2 bowls, and a measuring cup, and then something to stir the mixtures with. Everything you can probably find at your house that you might already have, except for maybe the borax, which you can get at the grocery store and the laundry detergent aisle. Once you have all your materials, you get a teaspoon of borax. Put it in the bigger bowl because once you'll have to combine them, and then it'll overflow and that won't be good. Then you take a cup of water. And you're going to take one of your popsicle sticks or spoon and just stir it up a little bit to the point where it's dissolved. And once it's dissolved, you can just let it sit, and you'll probably be able to see it again, but that's okay because you can stir it again later. Then you'll take a half a cup of water, and pour it into the other bowl. And you'll take half a cup of glue or 4 ounces of glue and pour it with the water you just poured into the second time. Once you get that poured in, you'll have to stir it up a little bit to get so the glue does not settle. And this is the time where you can add food coloring if you like. If not, you can just leave it white. I'm going to use green. It's the spirit of Halloween. The more drops of color you add, the darker it'll be. If you want it light, then obviously put less food coloring. Next, you'll take the 2 and you'll take the glue and pour it into the borax solution, and you'll start to see it harden right away, and that is called polymerization. And polymerization is when you combine 2 or more substances to form a polymer. According to dictionary.com, a polymer is a compound of high molecular weight derived either by the addition of many smaller molecules or by the condensation of many smaller molecules. Once you keep stirring. Once you're done stirring, you'll have a big glob of glue. Then the next thing you do, you'll have some water left over, and if you don't want to get your hands messy, then I would say just wear gloves. Now all you do is you'll have to take it out of the bowl and knead it and play with it. And the more you knead it with it and play with it, it just gets hardened more, and it'll be more like slime and less watery. According to Anne Hellenstein, the slime needs to be kept in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator to keep it from molding. According to slime recipes on Home Science Tools, the glue has an ingredient called a polyvinyl acetate, which is a liquid polymer. The borax links the polyvinyl acetate molecules to each other, creating one large flexible polymer. You can make this slime with your kids or grandchildren, and it's just in time for Halloween.